Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 1st of May 2020. For those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, just visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. There's a link to purchase the boat, touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng, to purchase the boat. These are the features for this boat. So the features you can see the features. Okay, and this is a few results for the boat. You can see the boats are trading. So these are amazing results. The trading section of this boat is very awesome boats. So just use the link in the video description on YouTube to purchase the boat. www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. These are the features. All this information will be pasted in video description on YouTube. This is a link to sign up for a free trader account for those who don't have a trading account to test this on demo. This is a link to our YouTube channels. We'll be dropping 3 strategies today as stated earlier. We dropped 2 on one channel and then 1 on the other channel. So this is a link to our first channel and link to our second channels. So let's get back to the trading. So this is what we have here, 9939.99. So here we'll be trading volatility 10 index in this strategy, and we'll trade 5 times. So here we'll be changing this to digits, then we'll change this to digits differ. Then our first trade, the last prediction will be 5, the tick will be 8, the last prediction will be 5, the tick will be 8. Our first trade will be staking higher than the second stake. 6, so we'll be clicking on purchase. 17 showed up here. In anywhere here, 17 showed up, we'll be clicking on purchase. 17 showed up, we'll be clicking on purchase. The last 3 number, that's 7 there. So as you can see, we want that trade, so we are going for the second trade. We will trade 5 times. So I'll change this amount to 41.23. Depends on what you have in your account. So the second trade, the last prediction will be 4, the tick will be 2. The last prediction will be 4, the tick will be 2. The tick will be 2. So 17 showed up here, the last 3 numbers, we'll click on purchase. 17 showed up, the last 3 numbers right here. Once you see 7, we'll click on purchase. That's 7, 6, 8. So as you can see, we want that trade, so we'll go for the third trade. The third trade, the last prediction is 6, the tick is 7. The last prediction is 6 and the tick is 7. I will change this amount to 53. Okay. So 17 showed up here, we click on purchase. Once you see 7, that's 157 there. So as you can see, we want the third trade. We'll go for the fourth trade. After this, we'll trade for the last time. So the fourth trade, the last prediction is 7, the tick is 5. The last prediction is 7, the tick is 5. So 17 showed up here, we'll click on purchase. The last 3 number here, once you see 7, we'll click on purchase. That's 417. So as you can see, we won the fourth trade. We'll go for the last trade. So the last trade, the last prediction is 9, the tick is 3. The last prediction is 9, the tick is 3. Tick is 3. So here we'll be taking low amount 13.08. So 17 showed up here. 0.75. Let's wait again. 17 showed at 780. So as you can see, we won all the 5 trades. So you can repeat this again after some hours. Don't forget to purchase the TOUCHSCALPER bots. Visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. That's touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. Link is right here. And these are the features for the bots. These are the features and is the results. So the link will also be pasted in the video description on YouTube to purchase the boats. There is a link to purchase the boats to be pasted in the video description on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.